Yeah, die, 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 miscreants, die! I will destroy you. I will destroy you. You will never mess with Zorgax. Yeah. What was that? I must check the electricity. The fuse box. It seems to be a simple miscalculations of the electricity. Nothing big. Die! 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 Yeah! Yeah! I am out of ammo! Must switch gun! Who's there? Who's there? Hallucinations. Hallucinations. Die! What? Yo mama is fat! Yo mama is fat! I don't have any money! I don't have any money! My one prime position is the laptop and my phone's ablaze! I don't have any money!
Stop talking! Listen to me, you son of a bitch! What do you have?
It's a laptop and phones.
That's nice.